Myself, I am Dr. B. Sudhir Kumar, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. This is Machine Tools Lab where we will be using different machining operations. This is a lathe machine, so this is called a headstock, and this is a tailstock, and this is called tool post where we keep the tools, and here the headstock we will be fixing the workpieces. So headstock is having different types of checks. This is called pre-jaw check where we fix the workpieces. So this is considered to be a workpiece, cylindrical workpiece, where we fix the workpiece inside this, and then we will be performing the operations. And these operations are called as a step turning operations. These step turning operations will be performed with a single tool, cutting tool, where we will be fixing onto the tool post. So the tool post is called having the provision of fixing different tools. So here we have two tools. One is called as a single point cutting tool, another one is called as a knurling tool. So the tool post will be moving forward and backward by moving the handle. So here we have lead screw where we will be moving the automatic operations for the tool post. So this is what our transmissions will be doing. This is a belt transmissions, and there is another operations where we call the engagement of the power transmissions where the speeds will be changing. So here what happens, the step turning, the diameter of the workpieces will be reduced from the higher diameter to the lower diameter, or here we can do the step turning also. So where we will be performing the same diameters will be cut into different dimensions. So another operation what we will be performing here is taper turning. Taper turning is one operation where here you observe there is a taper, the cutting where the workpieces will be cut in a taper direction. So taper angle will be calculated and taper turning will be operated by the tool post. So there is a separate attachment we call taper turning attachment. This taper turning attachment is also fixed to the machine, and here we can easily perform the different operations. Even in this lathe machine we can perform drilling operation by keeping the drill bit into the tool post. Tailstock. So tailstock is the one which will be operated as a tool post. So here there are two different tool posts we will be considering. One is for the taper turning operation. Another one, if you want to increase the diameter of the holes, or you want to make the holes in the workpiece, cylindrical workpieces. So tailstock will be used as a one of the tool holder. So this is the machine tool operations where we will be performing on the lathe machine.